This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's simple math. Every day, someone on your feed promises to turn your cash into millions overnight. But let's be honest, crypto scams and high-risk gambles usually lead straight to zero. If you want a real, predictable path to 10K, you need a flawless execution strategy. Turning 1,000 into 10,000 requires a massive 1,000% return on your money. In the traditional stock market, doing that safely takes decades of compounding patience. But if you want to accelerate this timeline, you have to change the game entirely. We aren't just going to passively invest, we are going to actively build capital. Today, we'll break down the 3 distinct phases to make this mathematical reality happen. Phase 1 is all about high velocity, micro flipping, and local market arbitrage. Phase 2 transitions that generated cash into a highly scalable online service business. And Phase 3 locks your profits into automated, cash-flowing digital assets. This is the exact operational roadmap used by self-made, real-world entrepreneurs. No fluff, no fake internet gurus, just practical, hyper-actionable steps. Grab a notepad, stop looking for easy shortcuts, and let's get into Phase 1. Phase 1 starts right where you are with your foundational $1,000. Your biggest competitive asset right now isn't the money. It's your time and effort. You cannot afford to stick this money into a safe index fund just yet. An 8% annual return on $1,000 is only $80 a year. A pair of hands holding a single cheap pizza box, representing how little passive annual returns yield on small amounts. Instead, we need to turn that money over rapidly through asset arbitrage. Arbitrage simply means buying something low in an inefficient local market and selling it much higher in an online market where demand is white hot. Look specifically for undervalued electronics, smartphones, laptops, or DSLR camera gear. People list these items cheaply on local apps when they just need fast cash. Your job is to use your $1,000 bankroll to buy these deals instantly. Then, clean them up, take high-end photos, and write compelling product descriptions. Relist them on platforms like eBay, where buyers pay a massive premium for quality. If you buy a laptop for $300 and flip it for $500, that's $200 profit. Repeat this process just 10 times over a month, and your starting capital doubles. The objective here is to hit the $3,000 mark as fast as possible. Now that you hold $3,000, we shift our operational gears entirely. Flipping physical items is great, but it requires constant manual inventory to scale. To make the leap to $7,000, you must invest heavily in high-income digital skills. Use a fraction of your new cash to buy the absolute best digital tools available. Secure top-tier video editing software, AI automation tools, or copywriting suites. The remaining cash stays in the bank as a buffer so you can execute stress-free. Next, identify an acute pain point that modern online brands are facing daily. They desperately need engaging short-form video content, high-converting emails, or SEO copy. Offer your specialized skills directly to them by solving their specific problem. Don't just ask for a job. Send them a high-value free sample of your work first. When they see the immediate impact on their brand, they will sign a monthly retainer. Securing just 2 clients at $1,500 a month completely changes your trajectory. In less than 60 days, your capital reserves scale past $7,000. You are no longer just a side hustler. You are running a legitimate service agency. Your newly acquired skill has successfully turned abstract time into financial leverage. With $7,000 liquid, your final $10,000 target is right around the corner. This exact moment is where 90% of people make a fatal financial mistake. They see the thousands in their account and immediately go buy luxury clothes or vacations. If you spend the profit now, you completely kill the momentum you bled for. Instead, we are going to use this capital to buy back your personal time. Hire an affordable virtual assistant or skilled contractor to manage repetitive tasks. This frees up your schedule to focus entirely on landing bigger corporate clients. Now, you are the conductor of the business system, not the engine. Your setup is now a systematic machine that prints cash flow predictably. As the final invoices of the month clear, check your dashboard one last time. There it is, $10,000, fully earned, documented, and sitting in your account. You didn't win a lottery or get lucky on a meme coin. You built a real business. The specialized execution skills you developed stay with you for the rest of your life. You now possess the exact blueprint to turn any small sum into a significant fortune. The math works every single time. Stop waiting, go out there, and execute. But hitting 10,000 once is only the first step of your journey. To make this wealth permanent, we must master the hidden execution details. Let's backtrack to phase 1 and dissect exactly how to avoid bad flips. When buying local electronics, always run a full diagnostic test on site. Verify the hardware serial numbers, screen responsiveness, and internal battery health immediately. Never meet an unknown buyer or seller in a dark, isolated environment. Safety and verification protect your precious initial $1,000 capital baseline. When negotiating prices, always let the other party name their figure first. Use polite, silent pauses during conversation to encourage them to lower prices. A single smart negotiation can save you an extra $50 or $100. When cleaning items for resale, use premium microfiber cloths and specialized sprays. Great studio lighting during product photography adds 20% to your price. Take photos from every single angle to build instant trust with online buyers. Ship your sold items within 24 hours to maintain a perfect rating. A flawless seller rating ensures your listings rank higher than your competition. Now let's break down the operational math behind the service outreach system. Cold outreach is simply a numbers game mixed with genuine, customized value. If you send 10 generic, copy-pasted emails a day, you will get 0 responses. But if you send 5 highly personalized video audits, everything changes instantly. Record your screen for 2 minutes, showing exactly how they can improve. Be respectful, identify their exact bottleneck, and give away the solution freely. At the end, simply ask if they want you to implement it for them. Out of 20 targeted video audits, at least 2 will book a call. On that call, listen 90% of the time and speak for 10. Understand their core business goals before you even mention your pricing structure. Position your digital service not as an expense, but as a pure investment. If your service makes them $5,000, a $1,000 retainer is incredibly cheap. This subtle mindset shift is how you close premium deals without feeling salesy. Always send a clean, legally binding contract immediately after the verbal agreement. Never start any project work until the initial deposit clears your bank account. As you hit the mid stages, managing your internal workflow becomes critical. Use free project management software to track your client tasks meticulously. Missing a client deadline is the fastest way to lose a recurring retainer. Set aside 20% of every single dollar earned for future taxes. Mixing your personal and business money creates absolute financial chaos over time. Keep a clean spreadsheet logging every single business expense and revenue stream. Now let's talk about hiring your very first contractor or virtual assistant. Look for specialists in regions with lower costs of living to optimize margins. Pay them fairly, communicate clearly, and give them precise standard operating procedures. A great procedure document allows someone else to copy your results perfectly. Test your new hires with a small, low-risk project before giving access. Once they prove reliability, delegate the entire repetitive fulfillment process to them. Your primary job now shifts entirely to high-level business development and strategy. This is exactly how you break completely out of trading your hours for cash. You are building leverage, which is the foundational secret of real wealth. Once your system hits $10,000, you have fully proved the concept. The exact same machine can now scale easily from $10,000 to $50,000. You do not need to invent a brand new business idea tomorrow morning. You simply need to increase the mechanical volume of what is already working. Double your daily outreach volume using the exact same personalized video method. Reinvest 30% of your profits back into high-yield business assets. Upgrade your hardware quality, purchase better software, or run targeted ad campaigns. At this stage, your business growth becomes completely exponential and incredibly rapid. The hardest dollar you will ever earn is your very first $1,000. The easiest dollar you earn will be your next $10,000. Because you are now operating with experience, skills, and hard systems capital. The realistic version of wealth creation is boring, consistent, daily execution. Forget the hype videos showing rented sports, cars, and temporary luxury mansions. Focus entirely on the math, the operational process, and your daily execution habits. The realistic roadmap is in your hands. Now turn your screen off and build.